Bonjour friends, I think this is the last video, that is part 2 of the symbols. We saw the 4 remaining symbols. Today we are going to see an important topic which is more important than the symbols, that the pair letters in French. So I have splitted them in a column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 columns. So 11 columns are there. So I will tell why I have splitted them into columns. So we can see the pronunciation of each column. First, this is A. As I said, this is accent aigu. So this is a rising accent from down to up. Accent aigu. This is A. Z. A. R. A. S. T. A. S. A. R. E. A. So the thing what you noticed here is all the spellings here are pronounced as A. E accent aigu is A, E Z is A, E R is A, E S T is A, E S is A, and A I is A. So if these pair letters come in a word, this must be followed. For example, take accent aigu. Ete, as I said yesterday, ete. Then next, this one, vous allez, ez, allez, you go, er, allez, to go, ell, allez, to go, est, il est, il space est. So it means he is. So in the first column, the pronunciation of all the pair letters is A. That is A, Y pronunciation. Then coming to the second column, that is accent grave, downing accent, that is up to down. A. So this is not like this, O and E. This is very closer, that is O and E is very closer. So no more distance maintaining. This is the only thing that is correct. So the example of the last pair letter in the second column is sir. That is sir, which means sister. So sir means sister. It's not sir, it's sir. So this is A, B, C, D, normal Coming to the next column, O. So we can add other thing, O. The third column is O pronunciation column. So all the pair letters in the third column is pronounced as O. The fourth pair letter is EAU. The meaning of EAU, O, is water. O. EAUX, O. O means waters. So there is a plural form for water, that is waters. We say it as international waters and so on. So waters, O. Coming to the next column, that is U. So all the letters, all the words in the fourth column are pronounced as U. The next column is Wa. O-I-S and so on. O-I is pronounced as Wa in French. So Wa. For the example of this one is soixante. Soixante is 60 is soixante in French. S-O-I-X-A-N-T-E, that is S-O-E-X-A-N-T-E. Soixante. Wa. Soixante. It's not soixante. Soixante. X is silent here. Soixante. The next column is en. En. En is pronounced as en in French. The first one is en. The second one is en. Third one en. Fourth one is en. 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 So we finish the first row, that is A, O, U, Wa, En. The next thing we are coming to do is on. On, Ion. So I is E in French, we call it as E. So when this E is added to on, it is Ion. Ion. Salutation. 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 Greetings. Greeting in French is salutation. Then on. The next column is en. En. So as we saw in the previous column, on. E plus on, ion. E plus en, ion. So en. The next one is an. There is no word like IENT. It's not like that. There is no pronunciation like that. IINT. It's not there in French. So the next column is en. Ian. Then the next column is an. An is a indefinite article. So it means a or an. Then the next one is une. Une is also an indefinite article. So this is an is used before masculine nouns and une is used before feminine nouns. So I'll write the pronunciation of the columns here. This is A. This is O, U, Wa, then En, then On. There's not horn, is on. This is on, is en. Then it's a. It's not in. It's a. Then the next column is and in. So we'll see this afterwards in a separate video, that is while doing indefinite articles and in. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we'll be looking on the rules in French. They are very important to learn and memorize. So till then you memorize them, that is each column you separate as I separated, don't mingle them. So like E, EU, OUS, like you don't mingle them, you separate them into columns and then you memorize. So we'll be seeing why we did not pronounce this X, S and so on and T and TS in the next video, that is while seeing the rules in French. Until then, memorize them. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel French with me and hit a like. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.